We're about to make a first run of our 3-channel control unit. So George, do you want to just go ahead and actually?
The process.
Okay, basically this is going to be like an introduction session. This is a power supply, all right?
Power supply.
Which is set to channel. Which is set to channel
12
2.
Volts.
Yeah,
we
go
got
ahead.
15 volts.
Right.
So we're going to put labels on these to make sure if people are running it, they don't get these mixed up.
Okay.
It goes into our power board.
Okay.
Power board. This also gets powered by the 12 volts. So 12 volts, 12 volts. Then we come over here, which is coming from the, I guess, soon to be the phone, currently the computer.
Yeah, the computer, the phone is going to be over there. We're going to put labels on here.
We're going to put labels on everything.
Right. Okay.
So this is a secondary protection unit of on-off switches for our units.
Okay.
And then once the signals start coming, we're going to flip them on.
Right.
And then from the phone or the computer is when we're going to start allowing them to fire.
And
over here,
these are the thrusters?
So we have 1, 2, and 3 channels.
Okay, and they're all coming from a common trigger source, as we can see with the big mass of wires that we have here. So effectively, we're going to be actually...
So they're all going to be simultaneously.
All right, let's come back.
Okay, so step 1, I believe, is power.
Okay, so power on.
Right. Okay, we're powering on.
Sure.
You get green lights.
And you get green lights on the power management board. All right.
And you got a green light here.
All right,
to make sure this whole board is working.
Okay.
With all these lights.
Okay.
Okay, step 2
and
now.
everything is powered off, so these guys are not lit
up yet.
Right, and they're going to be controlling the power to those thruster channels.
Yes.
Okay.
So next step, now that the computer currently has gotten power from our system, and
the menu has come up.
On.
All right.
So the menu's come up, and now we need to...
you need to define the frequency that you're going to be working on.
Define the frequency. So I'm going to click 1.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
Because I want 1 hertz.
Right, and that actually set it to a time delay of 99928. You know, pulse counts basically. That's fine. We'll translate that later. Go ahead, initiate the pulse by pressing the number 6 button.
I'm going to go to 6 on the keyboard.
Yeah.
Click 6.
There we go, and we can see the
pulse
train
coming up.
Well, we can see the indication of the pulse coming up.
Yes.
All right, go ahead. And then we're going to shift over. And
so shifting over, now we want to give power to our units now that we got the pulsing going. So I'm going to turn all 3 of them on at once. So we're going to go unit 1, which is this one. You can see
let me just see the power. Go ahead. Okay, you've got green light for number 1.
So you have a green light for number 1.
This is just the logic, the L bus.
Yes, the L bus.
P15L, basically. Okay.
So we got 2 power coming on.
Hold on a second. Let me go back to this thing. So we're still drawing 0.19 or 0.18.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Number 3.
You can't really see this. This is a different lid, but there's a little green. There's a green light in here showing that we're getting power.
Yeah, and we haven't closed the cover yet. So
yeah. So currently with our system, without the cover.
Sure.
There's your light. So currently with our system, we're getting a pulse to our low side, and we're also getting power to our low side. So now we're going to enable power.
Okay, for the first time, go ahead.
So I click little Z or big Z?
Big Z is for enabled, big X for enabled. So Z is channel 1.
So we're going to do channel 1 first. Shift Z.
Yep, go.
Shift Z.
Enable channel 1.
So
and right away we hear this version.
Should be this top one. We're getting a little click.
And you actually did channel 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow, it's like a red-green stoplight, right?
Yes, exactly.
So it's great. Okay, go ahead.
So now channel 2, we click Shift Y.
Yeah.
So Shift Y. It says enable channel 2, and we have 2 of them. The rest of them.
And my video is recording the two operating in sequence in air.
And now I do Shift X, correct?
Yep.
Shift X. 3 is pulsing or not pulsing?
It's pulsing. It is pulsing. You just can,
It's very, very light.
Right, but those are the adjustments that we have to do with the thruster.
Yes, that's an adjustment on.
I think the screw. I think the screw head needs to just Okay.
Be adjusted.
All right. Well,
so
this is just the first trial. So you want to shut it off by just tell us what you do. What do you shut it off with?
Okay. So
just
reverse side, I just do X.
Just lowercase X.
I do Y.
Okay.
And I do Z.
Right.
And as they discharge, they should all turn off, and you stop hearing the clicks.
Okay.
And then the next step is to turn power off, which is 3, 2, 1.
Right.
Lights off.
Okay.
And then last step is second to last step, we want to turn the pulse train off. So we click 7.
Yeah, 7.
Click 7.
That's it.
Stops. And then the very, very last thing to do is turn off our
the power to the main bus.
Off.
Okay.
And that is our system.
Great.